Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an affiliate program for your Shopify store step by step. Whether you are new to affiliate marketing or just want to boost your sales, this video will walk you through everything you need to know in just 8 minutes. Let's dive in. First of all, let's quickly cover what an affiliate program is. It's a marketing setup where you let others, like influencers or bloggers, promote your products. In return, they earn a small commission for every sale they refer. It's a win and win. You get more traffic and sales. They earn money promoting products they believe in. So why should you set up set one why should so why should you set one up? It's low cost. You only pay when you get results. It builds trust. People follow recommendations from creations they already like. It boosts reach. Affiliates market your store to audience you might never reach on your own. Shopify doesn't have a built-in affiliate system, but there are great apps to handle it. Here are a few of the best ones. Log into your Shopify dashboard. Now, open a new tab on your browser. Search for Go AF Pro, the complete affiliate marketing solution for Shopify. Free plan, easy to use, and a great dashboard. Reversion, more advanced built-in payment system, starts at $89 per month. Then Up Promote offers automation and affiliate marketplaces. For this video, I will use Go App Pro since it's beginner friendly and free. So now go to App Store from your Shopify dashboard, then click App and Sales Channel Settings, then go to Shopify App Store. Now check Go App Pro. Search for Go App Pro, install it. After installing Go App Pro, here's how to set it up. Again, click install. Customize your affiliate portal. This is where affiliates sign up. Click on get started. Then I'm new to affiliate marketing, or skip the setup. Then instructions, and that's it. You are now on the dashboard. Set commission rate from commission sections. Click change, select percentage or flat rate. Then most stores start with 10 to 20%. You can also create tiered rates. Set payment method, go to payouts tab. Now start new payout session, then click submit. Now go to settings, then payments. You can add a PayPal, bank transfer, check, debit card, cash, Payoneer, etc. Create terms and condition. Be clear about what's allowed and what's not. Go to settings again. Mm, Then test the system, sign up as an affiliate yourself, and try a test order to make sure everything works. Go to dashboard. Here your affiliate portal link. Once your program's ready, it's time to find affiliate. Add a, add an link, add an affiliate link to your website footer. Reach out to influencers and bloggers in your niche. Promote your program on social media and email newsletters. Use affiliate marketplaces if your app supports them. Now that you have launched, keep it growing by tracking performance regularly. Highlighting top affiliates and giving them bonuses, spending sending updates about new products or special offers, keeping your affiliates engaged and supported. And that's it. In this, if in just a few steps, you have got your own Shopify affiliate program ready to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.